We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs text-to-speech. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document by going to docs.google.com and logging in with your Google account. Once your document is open, you need to enable screen reader support. Click on the Tools menu at the top of the page, then select Accessibility Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Accessibility Settings window, check the box next to Turn on Screen Reader Support and click OK. Now, to use text-to-speech, you'll need to have a screen reader extension or application installed on your computer. If you're using Chrome, you can add the Chrome Vox extension from the Chrome Web Store. After installing it, make sure it's enabled. If you're on a Windows PC, the built-in narrator tool can be turned on by pressing the Windows key plus Control plus Enter. For Mac users, you can use the VoiceOver utility by pressing Command plus F5. With your preferred screen reader running, go back to your Google Docs document. To have the text read aloud, simply place your cursor at the beginning of the text you want to hear and activate the reading function in your screen reader. Chrome Vox users can press Search plus right arrow, while narrator users can use the caps lock plus M command. Once the text is being read, you can pause, resume, or stop it using the controls provided by your screen reader. This makes it easier to proofread your work or multitask while listening to your document. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.